Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first, open a list of all applications, find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Then keep tapping on build number until you see the notification that you are a developer, so it will be about 7 or maybe 9 times. As you can see here, you've got the notification that you are a developer now. So let's go back, and now if you will open the system options, scroll down a bit here, you will notice developer options. Click over here, and now you can enable some very advanced options, very advanced features. As you can see, here are the list of all of them. So that's it. This is how you can enable developer options. Now you can use it, enjoy it. Once you would like to switch them off, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on they are no longer here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.